Hi there. The first topic I want to talk about is fractions. I think that it is something important that we need to focus on. Um, and I think the hardest part of it is that you have to start so young. And I never knew that until this class. And so I think that if we stressed more importance on it in the class, that everybody could really focus on the fraction aspect and really improve, even though we all hate it. So, yeah. The second thing I think that we should focus on is definitely area and perimeter, and we have done that lately. I think that that's something that a lot of kids can struggle on. I know that I struggled with that in school, and so it's very important. Um, Area and perimeter also has all those formulas and exceptions when it comes to different things and cubes and prisms and all of that. The third thing I'm going to talk about is um, the multiplication and division facts. Extra math, I liked extra math. I like the concept. The website, I think, I know my multiplication facts, but I have anxiety and I feel like going through that website just stressed me out even more. Like, it had 3 seconds, you can erase the teacher all the time, erase the teacher. And I just think that that is so out of students' reach. And I think that we would improve more maybe on a program that would give you 6 seconds or a pen and a piece of paper, because if you gave me a multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction test on a piece of paper, I would pass. I have full faith in myself, and I really just did not like the extra math aspect of that. As a teacher, I do plan on continuing staying fresh with my multiplication facts and things like that, but I just think that that is so not good for a classroom. I did not like extra math. These topics, when I become a teacher, when it comes to fractions, I really want to start young. If I get a younger grade, getting those fractions in there and making them fun, making them something that a student would want to learn. When it comes to area and perimeter, just practice, start easy, get big. I know that all those janky shapes with a million different little sides, I hated doing, and so if you practice them, it won't be as bad. I've learned a lot about the Common Core math standards this year. I never knew that they were a good thing. I'd heard all bad things about Common Core, and so now that I've learned that they're good things, they've really helped me teach like mini lessons and things. And I've because you showed me the Common Core state standards, I've used them in other subjects too. I never knew they were out there. So those can really help me as a teacher, and those parent outlines that you showed us really outlines exactly what the student needs to learn. And then I think that I can improve definitely on fractions. The whole converting thing, I just know how to do it in my calculator. I still don't know how to do it normally. And I think that that is something I really need to improve on as a teacher. And I hope that maybe I can improve on that. I think another thing that I could improve on is the overall concept of like ratios and things like that. We didn't really go over it, but I think that that's another math topic that I struggle on. But this class ended up not giving me as much anxiety as I thought, so